little summer-themed craft together. What are we going to make, you ask? Good question, person. We are going to make some styrofoam jellyfish. Super fun for summer, which is coming up soon. If you are stuck at home and need something to do, let's go ahead and go over our supplies and materials that you will need for this craft. First and foremost, you will need a big styrofoam ball, like this. Styrofoam ball. You will also need a styrofoam cutter or something to cut your styrofoam with, some paint, your paintbrush, some ribbons of different sorts. I only have 2 today, but you can use more than 2 if you desire to. Or you can use 1 if you just have one lying around in your house. Whatever you want to do. Some googly eyes, some glue, some scissors, and I think that's it. I got all of these supplies I think I got most of them at my local dollar store, but you can get them at superstores, craft stores, and online, of course. They have everything. So now that we have all of our supplies, let's go ahead and get right into our jellyfish craft. The first thing you are going to do is cut your big styrofoam ball in half. Now, I don't have any styrofoam cutters, so I'm using a kitchen knife. It would probably be a good idea if you have a grown-up help you cut your styrofoam. I don't know how well this is going to work out, so here we go. This is hard. Maybe you should also do this outside because it looks like it gets kind of messy. Well, I don't need the knife anymore. I need a trash can. Might be a good idea to kind of brush off some of the extra styrofoam into a trash can so there's not little bits of styrofoam everywhere. Okay. Well, I got most of the styrofoam picked up, so now you should have 2 equal halves. Now we're going to paint them. I'm gonna actually make 2 jellyfish, so if you wanna make 2, you can go ahead, but if you just wanna do 1, then you can just paint 1. I'm gonna do one of them yellow, but you can do whatever color you think would make you happy. I think yellow would make me happy today, so I'm gonna do yellow. You can do blue, pink, black. You can even leave them white if you want, but I think painting them is way more fun. Okay, I'm all done with that one. Now I'm gonna paint my second one orange. All right, now we have to wait for them to dry. All right, now that they're all dry, now we are going to apply our googly eyes. I'm gonna add 2 per jellyfish, but I guess you can have as many as you want. Whatever makes you happy. I want you to be happy. That's ultimately my goal, is to make you happy. Alright, now that that is done, now we are going to poke holes through our jellyfish here at the top. And we're going to have a little string come through so that we can hang our jellyfish. I'm gonna try doing this with my paintbrush. Hopefully that'll work. If not, then we'll get there when we get there. I think it's working. Now do the same with the other one. And now you're gonna get some of your string. I'll just use this one here. And we're gonna cut a little piece of string to put through our jellyfish head. I'm going to do about this much. Now we're going to weave it through our jellyfish. Maybe use this. Once it's all the way through, you're gonna tie a nice big knot so it'll stay. Now we're gonna tie it up here so that you can hang it on stuff. Like this. Now I'm just gonna do the other one real fast. Okay, we are almost done. Now, we are just going to attach some more string or ribbon under our jellyfish so that they look like jellyfish. I'm gonna cut about 2 or 3 strings each for each jellyfish. But you can have as many jellyfish stingers as you want. But I'm gonna do about 3 each of the colors that I have today. And I'm going to attach them in the jellyfish just by putting them underneath like this and just sticking them right in with my paintbrush, like this. Now, I'm just going to do the other one real fast. And we are all done with our jellyfish craft. Oh my goodness. They are so cool. Oh, I love them so much. Look how cute they are. Jellyfish, jellyfish, swimming in the ocean, swimming in the ocean. And you can put them pretty much anywhere. You can have them on doorknobs. You can put them on the wall. You can put them on the ceiling. Did you put them on the ceiling though? Maybe paint the bottoms. This is probably one of my favorite crafts I've done so far. They turned out so cool. It's too much. Thank you so much for making styrofoam jellyfish with me. I hope you had so much fun. I know I had so much fun. If you enjoyed yourself, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any cool crafts like these. And I will see you all next time on Jukie Davie Crafts. Goodbye, everyone!